Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best luggage wheels is probably one of the most frustrating issues when traveling, especially when you are rushing to catch a flight or train. Finding the right replacement wheels can be a challenge, but with so many options available, it's important to choose a set that's durable, easy to install, and compatible with your luggage. In this video, we will review some of the best replacement luggage wheels on the market, helping you choose the perfect ones for your travel needs, ensuring smooth and effortless journeys. Number 5. OwnMy Luggage Wheels. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? These replacement wheels are here to help. They're easy to install and will make your luggage roll smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels. Make sure they match the dimensions shown. It's crucial for a proper fit. Replacing your old wheels is straightforward. Just remove the old ones, attach the new ones, and secure them with the included screws and washers. This kit comes with everything you need for a complete replacement: wheels, axles, screws, washers, and even wrenches. It's a comprehensive solution. These wheels are made from durable rubber and metal. They're built to last, providing quiet and smooth rolling for many journeys. Extend the life of your luggage with this simple upgrade. Enjoy smoother, quieter travel with these easy-to-install replacement wheels. What we like? These replacement wheels are made of sturdy rubber and metal, ensuring they're long-lasting and reliable. They offer a smooth and quiet roll, making your travel experience more enjoyable. If you prioritize durability and a smooth ride, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wheels are well made and come with bearings which make them much smoother and more durable than the originals. Installation is very easy. They provide the Allen keys to tighten the bolt. Make sure you use the washers provided. It fit my luggage perfectly. I used on a trip recently, no problems, smooth rollin'. These were the perfect wheels for my older Samsonite luggage. I think they roll even better than the original ones. Easy to install and way cheaper than new luggage. Number 4. OwnMy 70mm Luggage Wheels. Are your luggage wheels worn out? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. Easily replace your old wheels and get back to smooth rolling. Installation is simple. Just remove your old wheels, attach the new ones, and you're ready to go. Detailed instructions are included. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels to ensure compatibility. The dimensions are clearly shown in the product images. These durable wheels are made from high-quality rubber and metal. They're built to last, providing a smooth and quiet ride. Each set includes 2 wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for a complete replacement. Enjoy a smoother, quieter travel experience. These replacement wheels will make your suitcase roll effortlessly. What we like? With a larger diameter, these wheels provide a smoother rolling experience, especially over uneven surfaces. They're also built to last, thanks to high-quality materials. If you're looking for a smoother ride and longer lifespan, consider these. What people say. Very solidly constructed, the measurement instructions were spot on, and the install was a cinch. I've bought these wheels 2 times now. I fixed my duffel bag wheels and now my Oakley carry-on. The old rubber liner fell off and caused a loud noise going down the airport. I bought these wheels and replaced and work great. Really quiet and roll smooth, and the wheel bearing spin smooth. These suitcase wheels appear to be well made and worked when installed on my suitcase. Number 3. BQLZR Luggage Wheels W041-2. These durable replacement wheels are perfect for repairing your broken luggage. They're easy to install and will get your suitcase rolling smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels to ensure compatibility. Check the hole spacing and overall dimensions for a seamless replacement. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. A screwdriver is even provided for your convenience. These wheels are made from high-quality plastic, ensuring quiet operation, wear resistance, and excellent load-bearing capacity. They're built to last. They are designed for hard-shell suitcases only. These are ideal for repairing worn-out wheels and keeping your luggage in top condition. These replacement wheels are perfect for various suitcase types and are a must-have repair accessory for any traveler. Please ensure the hole spacing and dimensions match your existing wheels. Refer to the size chart for other available models. What we like. These wheels are designed for easy installation, with a simple screw-on design. They're also made of high-quality plastic, ensuring quiet and smooth operation. If you need a quick and easy fix for your luggage and a quiet ride, these are for you. What people say. This item fits as expected. It's a simple DIY project that saves money. They attached easily, even provided a cheap tool. They are 50x better than the very cheap wheels that came with the Suitcase. They were not just hard plastic and even had some give to the rolling surface, so they are substantially quieter than the originals. Fit my Samsonite hard suitcase perfectly. Hardware included was nice. It's rolling as good as new. Number 2. OwnMy Luggage Wheels Repair Kit. Is your luggage rolling less smoothly than it used to? These replacement wheels are here to help. They're easy to install and will get your suitcase rolling like new again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels carefully. Make sure the diameter, width, and axle length match the specifications provided to ensure a perfect fit. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just remove the old ones, attach the new ones, and tighten the screws. Detailed instructions are included. These wheels are made from high-quality rubber and metal for long-lasting performance. They're designed to be quiet and smooth, even on rough surfaces. This kit contains everything you need for a complete repair: 4 wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and even wrenches. You're all set for a quick and easy fix. With these new wheels, your suitcase will roll smoothly and quietly. Get ready to enjoy your next trip with ease and comfort. What we like. These replacement wheels are made of high-quality rubber and metal, ensuring they're long-lasting and reliable. They offer a smooth and quiet roll, making your travel experience more enjoyable. If you need a reliable, quiet, and smooth option, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit was perfect. New wheel placement was very simple. They were exactly what I was looking for. They are good quality and I expect long service life from them. I really like the 2 different length axle shafts. These wheels appear to be much more durable than the original wheels on my suitcase. The diameter was slightly smaller than the original wheels, but the wheels still worked fine. Number 1. Suitcase Wheel Replacement Kit. Tired of squeaky, broken suitcase wheels? This kit makes replacing them a breeze. Get smooth rolling and extended luggage life. It's made with durable polyurethane, ensuring quiet operation and excellent shock absorption. They're built to last. With a 70mm outer diameter and various axle sizes, it's compatible with many suitcases. Double-check your measurements to ensure compatibility. The kit includes 2 replacement wheels, axles, washers, wrenches, and rivets. All the tools you need are right here. Simply remove your old wheels with a hacksaw and install the new ones using the included repair kit. It's easier than you think. These versatile wheels aren't just for suitcases. They also fit roller skates, caster boards, scooters, and rollerblades. What we like. Made from high-quality polyurethane, these wheels offer a quiet and smooth ride. They come with multiple axle sizes to ensure a perfect fit for your luggage. If you value a quiet, smooth roll and need a precise fit, these are ideal. What people say. Saved a few hundred replacing the old wheels. Perfect fit. These wheels literally turned a throwaway into a usable case. The axles are held in place with plastic retaining blocks screwed in from inside the luggage compartment. Be careful to correctly measure the wheels you are replacing. The sizes are metric, so you will need to do the standard to metric conversion. Measure the wheel diameter, wheel thickness, and axle shaft diameter. Very easy DIY. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.